In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about fixing if your Windows 11 4K resolution options are not showing underneath your graphics settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to check the physical connections of your monitor to your device. So ensure that you're using a high-speed HDMI 2.0 or 2.1 cable or a DisplayPort 1.2 or greater cable. Older cables may limit resolution to 1080p or 30 Hertz, preventing a 4K resolution. You may also want to check your graphics cards as well. So if you open up the search menu and search for Device Manager, best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the display adapter section. Right-click on the display adapter listed under here, and then update the driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select a manufacturer-specific one unless there's only generic ones available, and then select Next, and then proceed with the installation here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.